Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time tuning in. My name is Sydney, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a 10-minute clean with me challenge. I'm going to try to clean as much as I can in 10 minutes. And today, right now, is actually nighttime right now, and I'm going to be trying to do my nighttime routine, cleaning routine. And I actually made a list of everything I want to get done. So I want to switch a laundry load, tidy living room, tidy kitchen counters, wipe down kitchen counters, and same thing pretty much. Put up clean dishes, and I actually have some dirty dishes I need to wash, as well as sweep and wipe down the table. So pretty long list to do in 10 minutes, but fingers crossed, and we'll see what happens. This is also going to be a collaboration with my good friend here on YouTube. Her name is Cortney, and her channel name is Cortney Korns. So make sure you go check out her video as soon as you're done watching mine. She has amazing content. She does lifestyle vlogs and some cleaning motivation as well. So make sure you go check her out and tell her I sent you. And she has 2 adorable little boys as well. Love her channel. So without further ado, I'm gonna put on the timer so we can start cleaning. All right, you can start. Yeah. My husband was actually taking the time, and every time I would move my tripod, he would pause it, so that explains like all the moving arounds and whatnot. So I probably shouldn't have wash the dishes because that took the majority of my time. But let's see what I was able to do. So, and I got this all wet. So I was able to switch a load of laundry, kitchen counters, kind of. Yeah, the same thing. I don't know why I wiped. Put up clean dishes, and I almost finished sweeping, so I'll put like a half of a check. And I wasn't able to wipe down the table or tidy the living room at all. I didn't even go to the living room. So yeah, that was a complete fail, but hey, this is why it's a challenge. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and also subscribe if you're new here. I would love for you to join my YouTube family, and I do motherhood videos, cleaning, lifestyle, so if you enjoy that sort of stuff, make sure to subscribe and let me know that coming from Cortney's channel, or if you're new at all, I would love to say hello. And don't forget to check out Cortney's video also, to see how much she was able to do in 10 minutes. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.